Good morning students. In the last class we had done the warming up of lesson number 3 on wings of courage. Today we will continue with the lesson. As I said yesterday, on wings of courage is biography of Air Force Marshal Singh. So I want you to read along with me. Open page number 15 of your English textbook. On wings of courage. Air Force Marshal Arjun Singh, an icon of India's military history, will always be remembered as a war hero who had successfully led a young IAF during the 1965 Indo-Pak War. Now children, can you see the picture over here? This is the picture of Air Force Marshal Arjun Singh. Children, he is still remembered. Why? Because of his bravery and service, and he has led. There was a war going on between India and Pakistan in 1965. Okay, at which year? 1965, and he was successful in that. Okay, and therefore he was also called, and he is called as a war hero. Second paragraph. The only officer to attain the highest post marshal, the Air Force, equivalent to the Army's 5-star field marshal, Singh was a fearless and exceptional pilot who had flown more than 60 different types of aircrafts. Now children, you can see here, what is this? This picture shows you about the 5 stars. Okay, what it shows? It shows about 5 stars. So this is like the rank given to the Air Force. Okay, this is like the rank given in in this kind of professional. Okay, so what they have told over here, that he is the only officer who has got this post. Okay, who has got this post of marshal, and which is equivalent to the Army's 5-star field marshal. So this is the Army's 5-star field marshal. Okay, and now next, let's see. Singh was a fearless and exceptional pilot. Fearless means what? He had a good leadership qualities, and he was an outstanding pilot who had flown more than 60 different types of aircrafts. Okay, who had flown more than 60 different types of aircraft. Now you only think he was an extraordinary person. Okay, now next, third paragraph. He played a major role in transforming the IAF into one of the most potent air forces globally and the 4th biggest in the world. Now children, here what does it means? That he played a major role in transforming the young generation to the IAF into one of the most potent. Potent means he was very powerful and effective in air forces globally all over the world, and he was in the 4th biggest in the world. His contribution to the Indian Air Force is monumental to the least, and the IAF grew with him. He was the epitome of military leadership in classical sense, and it is therefore not surprising that he was honored with the rank of Air Force Marshal. Former Vice Chief of IAF Kapil Kak said. Now here children, see, his contribution to the Indian Air Force is monumental. Means whatever the service he did to the Indian Air Force, okay, means he did for his nation. Okay, he was like an icon, and he is still remembered. Monumental means he was a very important person. The IAF grew with him. He was the epitome of military leadership. Epitome means a perfect example. He had a good leadership qualities. Okay, and therefore not surprising that he was honored with the rank of Air Force Marshal former. Now children, you can see this. This is the ranks. Okay, these are the 3 ranks. First is Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, and next is Indian Navy. Here you can see sub-lieutenant, lieutenant, lieutenant commander, commander, captain, commodore, rear admiral, vice admiral, admiral, and admiral of the fleet. We have done this in the warming up session also. So this is what? This is the commissioned ranks. Okay, so what happened over here? That Kapil Kak, okay, the vice chief of IAF, who is he? He is Kapil Kak. He had given this opinion. Okay, Now see here, this picture shows the Marshal of Indian Air Force, Arjun Singh, April 15, 1919, September 16, 2017. April 15, 1919 is the birth date. He was the first to hold the rank of Air Chief Marshal. Understood? Now see the next image. Here he has been honored. See here, children, you can come to know. He has been honored. Okay. See this. This is also a honorship given to him. See here, the ranks have been given. They get postings. Every year they get posting because of their service. Okay. And because of what the deeds they are doing for the nation. Here is what? Marshal of the Indian Air Force. Okay. This is the honor which they are getting. And who is he? He is Kapil Kak, he is the vice chief of IAF. Kapil Kak, who said that who has given this opinion about Marshal Singh. Okay. Singh was honored with the rank of Marshal on Republic Day in 2002. Now, he was being honored, children, on which date? Republic Day in 2002. Okay. Sam Harmusji Framji, Jamshedji Manekshaw and K.M. Karyappa were the only two army generals honored with the rank of Field Marshal. So children, this picture you can see, it is of Jamshedji Manekshaw, and the next is, he is Karyappa. Okay, who is he? K.M. Karyappa. This K.M. Karyappa is the first one to get the rank of this Indian Air Force Marshal, and the second is Jamshedji Marshal, and the third person was Singh. Okay, Arjun Singh. Now next paragraph. Known as a man of few words, Singh was not only a fearless pilot but also had profound knowledge about air power and applied it in a wide spectrum of areas. Now children, man of few words. He is known as a man of few words because he never used to talk more, but he used to believe more in action. So he was named as a man of few words. Singh was not only a fearless pilot but also had profound knowledge about air power and applied it in a wide spectrum of areas. Means he had a good leadership qualities. Okay. Profound means what? He had a deep knowledge about air forces. Okay. And he had a wide spectrum. Spectrum means he had a wide range of areas. Next, Singh had assiduously led the IAF during 1965 war and denied success to Pakistani Air Force, though it was better equipped with American support. His most outstanding contribution was during that war, said Kak. Now your children, the same opinion is given by Kak. I showed you the picture before this. He was Kak. Understood? Now here what they have told here, that Singh had assiduously led. Assiduously means what? With great care. Assiduously means what? With great care. He led the IAF during the 1965 war and denied success to Pakistani Air Force. So they had a war over there and India had won. It was a better equipped. Better equipped means good advanced technology were there with American support. Means they got the American support. Who? Pakistanis. But then also India won. His most outstanding contribution was during that war, said Kak. So here Kak is giving his opinion that whatever the deeds, okay, his service, his bravery, his courage was seen in that war. Next, last paragraph. Commending his role in the war, Y.B. Chavan, the defense minister, had written, Air Marshal Arjun Singh is a jewel of person, quite efficient and firm and excitable, but a very able leader. Now here children, this picture you can see is of Y.B. Chavan. Now do you know who is Y.B. Chavan? He was the Maharashtra's first chief minister. Okay. And commending means what? Appreciation. Okay. What does commending means? Appreciation his role in the war. Y.B. Chavan, the then defense minister, had written. Now children, Y.B. Chavan was first. He was the first chief minister of Maharashtra and he was the best person too. Okay. So before independence, means during the period when Indira Gandhi was ruling, at that time he was the first chief minister of Maharashtra. Air Marshal Arjun Singh is a jewel of a person. Okay, he had written, it is his words. Whose words? Y.B. Chavan. What was his words that he had written? Is he was a jewel person. Jewel means a very precious person, quite efficient and firm, unexcitable, but a very able leader. Means he had a good leadership qualities. Okay. Now see the last paragraph. In 1944, means before independence, when Second World War was going on. Understood? So from in this picture you can come to know what I want to teach you. Okay. In 1944, the Marshal had led a squadron against the Japanese during the Arakan campaign. Now children, you can see this picture over here. This is a picture of Arakan campaign 1942 to 43. This is what it was going, the war was going on between 1 year. Okay. So here what they have given, they had led a squadron. Squadron means what? It is a unit of Air Force which is called as squadron. Against the Japanese, means the war was going on against Japanese. Okay. During the Arakan campaign, flying close air support missions during the crucial Imphal campaign, and later assisted the advance of the Allied forces to Yangon. Now children, see this picture. This is the Imphal 1944. Okay, what is this? Imphal 1944. Now children, Imphal is the capital of Manipur. Okay, what is Imphal? A capital of Manipur, and this is also a campaign where the war was going on and they were assisted over there. Okay, and the Allied forces to Yangon. You can see this picture. Yangon. Yangon is the you can call it as the capital of Myanmar. Okay, and formally means previously. So you can see this picture over here. Yangon, Myanmar. Okay, so here we can understand that he was a versatile, he had a versatile personality. Okay, who was he? He was Marshal Arjun Singh. So we will stop here and tomorrow we will continue with it. Exercise I have given below. Please solve it.